Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and book hotels on MakeMyTrip? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on hotels right over here on the site and just select whichever location that you're heading into and go ahead and put your check-in and your checkout dates as well, and simply go ahead and add how many rooms or how many adults are heading, and simply go ahead and click on apply and click on search. Once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to show you a bunch of options for hotels. As you can see, you can simply go ahead and choose any hotel that you go ahead and prefer and simply go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and book, just click on book this now, and once that is done, as you can see, your price after discount is going to be shown, and you will also go ahead and get your coupon codes, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on pay now and then enter your payment details, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.